Hey, Mom.
Hey, Aaron.
Look what we got. We got this T-Rex is holding a present. And we have a giant T-Rex eating the present, but it just says a giant T-Rex with a present.
Yeah, so we got these awesome 2 new Christmas inflatables. This one we got at Walmart. This one is from Amazon. And we're going to unbox them both and see what they look like.
Yeah, let's unbox this one.
So we are going to put the information about the inflatable we got on Amazon in the description. So if you're interested, you can just go there and try to get one too if they're not all the way sold out. Okay, so it looks like this one comes with the anchors that you put the water in the bags. That's why I guess the box is so light. So you put the water in these bags and that acts as a weight. All right, there it's filling.
With water?
No, with air.
Oh, wait. You know
Oh,
what?
the zipper's open.
What?
Okay, close the zipper. Good catch. Because then we'll be thinking it doesn't work. The leg.
Where's his face? There it is.
There's his face. You can see his teeth. All right, almost.
There.
That is the tail with the present. Here he goes. He's standing up. You know what? I think he kind of looks like Godzilla to me. You don't think so? All right, it looks like this one is twisted. Well, there is a weight on the tail.
Whoa! Look at this. I'm gonna take it back. Give me.
This guy's so cool. So he's like 6 feet tall, but he's so cool. We haven't had a dinosaur like this one holding the presents before. So we're excited to get some like these.
Yeah. Oh, you forgot to say hi.
Forgot what?
Forgot to say hi to somebody.
Oh. Oh, Aaron got a Woody yesterday. Hi, Woody.
Hello.
Awesome. So we're going to unbox the other one to see how it looks too. So like I said, if you're interested in this inflatable, we're going to put the link in the description. He is super cute. All right, the next one, this inflatable is the one from Walmart. Here it is.
Whoa. Yep, I think it does.
Oh yeah, it has the base fan. Let's see what it looks like.
Look what it looks like.
Check out this base fan.
It's kind of small. Get this one.
There we go.
And do this.
All right. Let's plug it in.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this one.
There it goes. Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
what in the world?
He's twisted.
Help me, Mama. It's a large tail. Here comes his daddy.
He's all twisted. Hold on. He popped up. Okay, stand him up. There he is. Check him out. Look at his little arms. His little T-Rex arms. Check them out, guys. So now we have a set of dinosaurs for our Christmas display. Super excited.
Let's test these. Oh my goodness. I got this.
Check him out. You can see here him from the back. You can see the spines on his back. I love this look of the fabric. It's really interesting. We've never had an inflatable that has a type of fabric like this. Looks like little fingerprints. All right, so these guys look awesome. So cool. I love that we have two. That's incredible. This one is so cute.
We're having more.
And this one is a lot bigger, but it's also so cute. It's like the daddy and the baby. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of these Christmas inflatables. We are so happy to have them. Please check the link in the description. And thank you, and bye. Hey guys, if you made it this far in the video, please leave a comment, roar, so I know how awesome you are.
Merry Christmas!